Breaking news coming in at the moment with regards to the accident that took place in Gurugram. The accused, Kuldeep Thakur, is actually a repeat offender. He's been a repeat offender in terms of driving on the wrong side. India Today Aaj Tak has accessed the challans against him for wrong side of driving and for wrong parking. He was even challaned on the 25th of August in the state of Haryana. So the man who killed a person because he was driving on the wrong side in the high-speed lane is a history sheeter. Someone who was even challaned on the 24th of August. And he was challaned because he was driving on the wrong side. So this is not the first time that the culprit has indulged in wrong side driving. And what's even more shocking is the BJP sticker plastered on the bonnet of the car. My colleague Shreya is now joining me on the story. Shreya, what is very unfortunate in this case, he was arrested, he's out on bail, but this is not the first time that he's done something like this.
Well, absolutely, Aishwarya. This man, Kuldeep Thakur, he's a repeat offender. He seems to be driving on the wrong side of the road carefree because he feels like he can be getting away with it. Clearly, we've accessed the challans right now. Both of the challans remain unpaid. This was on the 25th of August that the challan was issued against him by Haryana police itself. He was caught driving on the wrong side even a month back. So clearly, such people who feel that they can abuse the law and get away easily, because in this particular case, he got an instant bail as well. This is the reason these kind of characters can continue to abuse the law. We only hope that the Gurugram police tightens the noose around the person now that they have also taken the video footage from the friend of the deceased Akshat. We hope that stricter action will be taken, because the friend maintains that immediately after the arrest, the man had managed to get an instant bail. Clearly something that points out to a larger conspiracy.
Thank you, Shreya, for giving us all those details. The history sheeter, Kuldeep Thakur, has been doing this for quite some time. Many challans have been filed against him, the latest one on the 24th of August. The deadly crash that has been caught on video is something that you are seeing on your screens at the moment. A young biker was killed after his motorcycle was hit by an SUV, which was being driven on the wrong side in the high-speed lane. What's even more shocking is the fact that the accused had a Bharatiya Janata Party sticker on the bonnet. The visuals you can see on your screens. Now, the video of the incident was actually captured on a GoPro. One of the friends of the victims had a GoPro on his bike and he captured the entire incident. Now, this incident took place on the Golf Course Road. Despite the clear footage, Pradyuman alleges the police failed to collect the video as an evidence. He also criticized the police for negligence and lack of vigilance on the high-speed lane. Pradyuman also pointed out that the accused co-owns a political campaign company.
सेंट्रल लेन में एक कार रॉन्ग डायरेक्शन से आ रही थी, विच वाज आल्सो 70-80 के स्पीड के बीच की वो कार होगी. हम और अक्षत भी सेम स्पीड में थे. मैं अपनी बाइक पे अक्षत के जस्ट पीछे ड्राइव कर रहा था व्हेन दिस हैपेंड, एंड अक्षत जो थे इम्पैक्ट टक्कर जैसे ही हुई उनकी कार के साथ, उसी मोमेंट पे देयर वाज अक्षत से कोई पॉजिटिव रिस्पांस नहीं आया था. टोटल एक्सीडेंट से लेकर एम्बुलेंस के आने एंड अक्षत को एम्बुलेंस में बिठाने में लगे.
ये पूरे इंसिडेंट में जब आप पुलिस के पास एफआईआर लिखने पहुंचे तो आपका जो वीडियो आपने रिकॉर्ड किया था, पुलिस ने वो वीडियो आपसे लिया था?
हाँ जी मैम, मैंने उनको ये वीडियो दिखाया था. मैंने उनको ये भी बताया था कि मेरे कैमरा में इस इंसिडेंट का वीडियो रिकॉर्ड हुआ है. उन्होंने वीडियो देखा, लेकिन उसके बाद वीडियो उन्होंने मुझसे कल कॉल करके शेयर करने बोला था.
ये वीडियो एक एविडेंस है, उसके बावजूद भी उनकी अरेस्टिंग और बेल के बीच में ये वीडियो आपसे नहीं लिया गया था?
हाँ जी मैम, एंड ये आप समझिए संडे के दिन, जहाँ पे मंडे को भी पब्लिक हॉलीडे ईद का था, आप सेम डे पे एक एक्सीडेंट के केस में उनको बेल मिल गई कुछ ही घंटों में, जिसमें विक्टिम इज डेड एंड यस, ये कार जो थी रॉन्ग डायरेक्शन में आ रही थी, तो इसको फोर्स ही करा जा रहा था एज अ रैश ड्राइविंग और इररिस्पॉन्सिबल ड्राइविंग का केस पुलिस की तरफ से, एंड उसी हिसाब से इसको पोर्ट्रे करके उनको बेल दिया है, जो भी सेक्शन के अंदर लीगली दी जाती है.